Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is the Taze Maze. So Taze Maze is something I made with conductive filament. And when I learned that something exists like conductive filament that conducts electricity, I thought, what can I design for a puzzle with it? Well, this is a little mosquito taser. And when you use a mosquito taser, you can get little shocks. It fries a mosquito, but for humans it's quite harmless. It just gives you a little shock. So what I did, I connected the mosquito taser to the maze. But this maze may be a bit too difficult to start with. So I start with an easier maze that is just 4x4. And you see here the red LED, and you can really feel, ouch, I can really feel the little shock. And so the object of the puzzle is to solve the maze. And when you solve it, the start is here, the end is here, that's clearly indicated. It's also very clear that this is a wall, because it's connected directly to the rest. But how does the maze go? Well, you can feel and then you can go, and at some point in time you will just feel the shock, and then you know you have hit the wall, you need to start again, and yeah, it's really masochistic, and then you have to find your way out. Obviously for this small one it's quite doable. You get shocked a few times, but then you solve the maze. But also people really don't like to get shocked to learn something. So what I did for the larger maze is I gave the solution. So if you can follow the solution, you can just go from the entrance to the exit, follow the whole pattern according to the solution, and you will not get zapped at all. But to make it slightly more annoying, this is a mirror image. So we start from the bottom, as you can see, and then we need to go left becomes right, right becomes left, but up and down stay the same. So I go down and etc. So it takes a lot of coordination to solve this maze, but obviously if you understand the logic, left becomes right, right is left, up and down stay the same, then you can solve the maze all the way to the exit without getting zapped once. So this is the real puzzle, and you don't need to get zapped to solve it, but obviously it requires a lot of attention and nerves, because whenever you make a wrong move, the puzzle will punish you and zap you. So this was the Taze Maze, and it's a nice application of electricity and this electricity conducting filament. And my question to you is, what else can we do with this conductive filament? Thank you for watching.